It is not recommended to report velocity as an absolute value, as it forces unrealistic certainty to a domain of likely uncertainty, and it defeats the principle of Agile in embracing uncertainty. Instead, it's better to provide a range, with a swing based on the amount of uncertainty the team feels on the complexity of features. A suggested process when estimating velocity is as follows. To be clear, points are relative and it's hard to compare teams. But if a team builds project A and then is about to start project B, we can use their velocities from project A to predict B, as long as the points are consistent across projects. If a 5-point story on A is expected to take as long as a 5-point story on B, use the historical velocity. However, what if the team has no prior velocity? Have the team estimate the required stories in story points, even if they have no idea what their velocity will be. They do know, however, that the sum of the stories is, say, 300 points. Then have the team plan a sprint. In planning a sprint, select one story, split it into tasks, estimate the tasks in hours, and then ask the team if they can commit to finishing it. Then repeat with additional user stories until the sprint is full. Suppose a team does this and commits to user stories X, Y, and Z. They couldn't have discussed velocity as they have no data. But they do have estimated story points on all the user stories, including X, Y, and Z. So look at the points on those 3 stories, add them up, and that's the starting point for velocity. If you can, get the team to do this again by planning another sprint, and you may reach 2 values as a range, say 18 to 22 points, and then adjust as needed.